Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M12 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, let's enter the keyboard. Let's open the keyboard, for example, in messages. It doesn't really matter. And as you can see here, we've got the settings. So this is the option we are looking for. Let's tap on it and let's tap on the very first option. As you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. So let's tap on manage input languages. And here you can decide how you want to update language data. So you can use never, using Wi-Fi only, or whenever available. I will pick to use Wi-Fi only. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of the languages which we can use, because as I said, but as you can probably see, they are downloaded. So all we have to do in order to apply them is to tap on the switcher next to them, and under it we've got another list of available languages. So all you will have to do, if you'd like to use, for example, the Netherlands from Belgium, you will have to tap on this download icon, and then your device will update the previous list and it will appear right there. So let me show you how to use it. For example, just tap on this one, and as you can see, it has been downloaded and it will appear right here, and it is also automatically set. But let me turn it off and let me pick, for example, Arabic. And as I said, in order to turn on the feature, in order to turn on the language, just tap on the switch right here. Now we can go back, and this is the list we previously had. Right now we've got obviously Arabic applied. What's more, we've got another option, language switching method. So after tapping on it, we can decide how we want to change the languages. We can do it using spacebar swipe, language key, or both of them, and I will pick this option in order to show you how to do it. So let me get back to the keyboard and let me show it to you. The very first thing on the spacebar, we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and here we've got the globe icon, which is the, let's say, the language key, which will allow us to change languages. So right now I'm freely typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Arabic one. We can check also the spacebar swipe, just as I hope that you could see that. Just swipe on it and you can easily switch the languages. So actually this is how to add new language to a keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because probably you don't need two different languages. So we have to enter the settings, tap on languages and type, and tap on manage input languages. All you have to do is simply tap on the switcher here, and since it looks like it, then it means that we just removed the language. Let's check in the keyboard, and as you can see, we do not have the globe icon. What's more, after swiping we cannot do anything, just putting empty space here, so it means that we successfully removed it. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy M12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.